Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this is an uptrend, probably one, two, three ways up, one, two, three ways down, and then I think this is going to be one, two, three waves up for an ABC of wave Y. Most likely go up and take out these highs and end up looking something like that. So let's head down to that weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, keeping in mind what we just saw on the monthly, I think this right here is the uptrend right here for the wave A. I think this is like an A, B, C, D, E, which basically is a series of three-way patterns, most likely for wave B. We are at some fib levels, but I mean, it really hasn't broken any structure to the upside yet, proving that this is the end of a wave B and potentially the continuation of the uptrend for that wave C of wave Y. So let's take it down to that daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, we really don't have any break of structure to the upside. This whole way down, not one time did it break any structure to the upside. So we really can't say that this downtrend is over yet. Now, if the dollar does turn down, then this will turn up and break structure also, but really it has not been confirmed to do that as of yet. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we do have almost a perfect looking downtrend right here. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice impulsive up with a break of structure. Now that break of structure only proves that this wave right here is over, which tells me that this very easily could make three waves up. It may very easily could make an impulsive move down and end up looking something like that. So like I said, we can't prove that the uptrend is back on. We can't prove that this downtrend is over. So we really should primarily be looking for longs on these sort of time frames. But with this break of structure to the upside, I would expect to see at least three waves up, and I would be trying to go long at the end of this next correction, which would either be a wave B or a wave 2. Then we would learn whether it's a wave 3. If it is a wave 3, it would go up and break structure, and at that point I would definitely continue to look for longs. But on the other hand, if it's a wave C, then it will make a lower high, break structure to the downside, proving it's a wave C and continuing the downtrend. So let's head right down to that 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, this definitely looks to me like an uptrend, and I don't really see any breakdown, so I would personally still be looking for longs. At some point, I do think this is either a wave A or a wave 1, and that it will probably try to make a move down, which will be a wave B or a wave 2, probably down to one of these fib levels, and then it should go up and either make a wave C, which I would definitely be trying to go long at the end of this wave B or 2, and then if I see it go up and then break structure to the downside with a lower high, I would exit my longs and go short. On the other hand, if it maybe bounces but doesn't break any structure and just keeps making higher highs, higher lows, then I would just hold on to my long from down here and maybe even add positions along the way at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.